You know your social? You know your social security number?
I do, but I'm not going to give that out. I don't feel...
You're not going to give it out?
No, I don't feel comfortable giving that out.
Well, we're trying to ID you.
I know.
And this isn't coming back to you.
It is. It's coming back to me.
It's not coming back to you.
I swear to you.
An airport rental agent flags a customer's ID. Officers run it. The photo comes back to someone else entirely. What happens next tests 3 constitutional limits at once.
Hey, it's Palin. Hey, that I ran, does it have any, like height, weight, any of that stuff? That's a picture they emailed back.
It's the same.
What's up?
And it's the same.
Same name, but...
They confirmed the...
So, that's what they said description-wise. So, I haven't talked to him yet, but...
I mean, is it just maybe the wrong one?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's fake.
Hey, sir. How you doing? So this is not coming back to a picture of you, the ID. What do you mean?
You're not 6'2". You ain't got blue eyes, is what the ID is coming back to.
Why do you say 6'2"?
What?
What does it say 6'2" with blue eyes?
It says you're 6'2", 6'2" with blue eyes, which does not match you.
Correct.
So do you have another ID, or what's your name?
No, that's the ID that
Nope.
they gave me at the DMV.
Okay.
Because I'm waiting on my paper copy, or the mail copy to come. That's the paper copy they gave me.
Okay.
Here you go ahead.
Hey, Sarge, are you busy? Are you able to come to Alamo?
That's fine.
We're doing an ID verification, and it's not totally matching up. Yeah, first floor. Appreciate it. I know it's on there, but what's your name?
Yeah.
And what's your date of birth?
Excuse me.
What year?
19.
You're good. Have you ever had an ID out of another state?
No.
Only.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I'm so confused. I'm like,
It's all good.
I've been waiting for them to mail it to me. So
Yeah.
it's like,
You said you're waiting on your real one?
yeah.
It says this was issued in...
No, wait on my official.
Okay.
Because I'm here. I live here.
Okay.
If under arrest, can I just walk around?
No, you're being detained right now. Not under arrest, but you're being detained.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got any other documents with you that I can verify now? Okay. He provided me name and date of birth, which matches. Date of birth was off by a year. When I tried to run that name, nothing came back. He said there's a different guy named that had all the warrants.
So, to me, at the moment, it looks like a TCA violation.
Okay.
Identity. Who's in charge?
I got here first, but
Who's calling?
12 got called to me.
All right. Go ahead and hang on a minute. This your phone?
Yeah.
You understand everything that he's explained to me?
A little bit. It's just coming back to a
So
different...
he's ran this number.
Correct.
It comes back to the same name.
Correct.
And when they run that name, it comes back to a different photo.
Correct.
Or that photo belongs to his driver's license.
Correct.
Theoretically, this guy is committing identity theft, right? So the only other thing we can do is contact CID and see if they want to run it in any other way. But it appears like we have enough PC at the moment. So I would just ask him additional questions to figure out if we can identify who he actually is.
So do you know,
A failed barcode scan and UV check gave officers their first articulable fact. A database return showing a different photograph and physical description gave them the second. That combination satisfies Terry versus Ohio, decided in 1968. Reasonable suspicion for an investigative detention. Officers then asked for a social security number, framing refusal as grounds for arrest. This is where the encounter crosses into constitutional gray territory. In Hiibel versus 6th Judicial District, decided in 2004, the Supreme Court held that requiring a name during a Terry stop does not violate the Fifth Amendment, but only where that disclosure is not itself incriminating. A social security number is federally linked to financial records, tax history, and criminal databases. No federal court has uniformly held that compelling an SSN falls within the Hiibel exception. Framing it as an arrest alternative was legally imprecise. The subject's refusal was constitutionally protected. Officers may not draw adverse inference from a Fifth Amendment invocation during a non-custodial detention.
You know your social? You know your social security number?
I do, but I'm not going to give that out. I don't feel.
You're not going to give it out?
No, I don't feel comfortable giving that out.
Well, we're trying to ID you.
I know.
And this isn't coming back to you.
It is. It's coming back to me.
It's not coming back to you.
I swear to you, it's coming back to me, sir.
It's not coming back to you on our end. So,
I
if you want us to help identify who you are,
that is me. I'm not going to give out my social. I don't feel comfortable.
okay. Well, right now where we're sitting at, this is a fake. You're committing identity theft. It's because this is not. It's coming back to a different person.
How? How is that coming back to a different person? What does this person look like that it's coming back to?
It's not you.
Because I can assure you that's me.
It's not.
It's. I'm waiting for it to be mailed.
It's
like
not
I
you.
said.
Well, sir, I'm not going to argue. Like, either try to ID, either give out your social so we can help you out, or we're going to have to arrest you for identity theft.
I just don't feel comfortable giving it out.
And so, is there any other way we can identify you? Because this is not you.
You can call my mom.
How is that going to help? I mean,
She can verify. Like I don't know.
I mean that's all we got. It's going back to a white male that's not you. It's a different height, and it's not coming back to you.
Right, and mistaken identities all the time. Right, so
yeah. So if you want to help,
right, but why
identify
am
who you
I
are.
being pressured? Like you said, it's not me. Okay, who does it say it is? I would like to know. I would like to see a picture. You're saying a white male. Okay, well,
I mean,
I would definitely like to see who this is, who this white person is.
I don't have to show you that. I'm not going to show you that because I mean, it's not coming back to you. If you want to identify yourself by social, you can. If not, I will arrest you. Okay?
We'll give you the social.
Okay.
And what are you arresting me on?
Identity theft.
How is it identity theft if you're telling me it's not me?
Because you're using someone else's ID or a fake ID. What's your social? Okay. Social's coming back to not to this person's social.
All right, and what is the social come back to?
He said you can't run it solely on social or something. He told me that.
You can only do it.
But he was saying that's not matching up to this ID.
What social? What state were you born out of? What social would that come back to in a driver's license?
That should be mine.
Well, I know it's your social. Well, what you're telling me is your social. What state would that driver's license be associated with a social? For instance, if you had a driver's license out of North Carolina, your social would be associated with it. When you got a driver's license, other than the driver's license you're presenting, where would that social be attached to?
It would be.
Okay. Is there a number from on your driver's license that you recall? Do you recall your driver's license number?
No, sir. Not off the top of my head.
Okay. And why do you think it comes back from? Did you have a driver's license?
No, I was born in right. Yes,
Okay.
Right.
And then,
the border.
What was your first driver's license?
What was it?
Yeah. What state?
Was
When did you move to?
when I was 14.
14.
My parents did.
All right. Do you still live there?
No, I live here.
Okay. All right. Do you have a driver's license?
No, sir.
How long have you been living in?
3 months.
Okay. Just be aware that moving to you're required to obtain a driver's license within 30 days.
Right. Well, they said 90 days.
Okay. And who did you talk to about your driver's license?
When I called the DMV down here, they said I need to do it immediately. But, you know, I told them I don't have it. I need to send, I have to look for a reprint because I only have my social or my birth certificate. So they said they need 2 forms of identification. So to contact me and have them send me a driver's license, a reprint, and then present if I can get a social security card, then get a social security card and bring that in with me as well as my 2 forms of identification. And I'm still waiting on the social security card to come back.
All right. So, a couple things. Your driver's license looks fake to me. I've been doing this for over a decade. All right. It doesn't look correct. 2, there's some information on there that's not lining up with our system. So what I want to do is offer you the opportunity to tell us, if anything, that's wrong with the ID. Can you tell me anything that's wrong with the ID?
What do you mean?
Is there a date of birth, a social, or anything that you've presented to these officers that's incorrect?
Maybe social? Is that
The social is incorrect?
Is that what you're, yeah. Is that what you're saying?
Why would that be incorrect?
I don't know. I don't know what he wrote down.
Well, he wrote down what you told him.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So what we need to do is get accurate information from you. All right?
So what's your address that you, from whenever your last address, before you moved here?
Oh my God. I don't know off the top of my head. I'm so flustered.
That's okay. Just take a breath. Calm down, man. We're not going to go 100 miles an hour. We want to figure out what's going. We want to figure out what's going on.
Okay.
But if you can just take a second and think of the address that you last lived at. And
Okay.
can you answer that?
Yeah. Can me and you talk over here?
Well, no. Let's stay.
He's talking to me, and I'm trying to talk to you, and everything was good, and now it's I'm being blindsided.
Yeah.
So,
what we can do is, instead of standing in their doorway, we can stand over here near this white wall, past that door. That way we can be out of everybody's way. You'll feel less anxious. But what do you want to tell me?
yeah, I mean, that would be the only thing would be right to social. Is that what you're asking? Like what?
My concern is that you're providing a wrong identity. And I'm trying to provide you the opportunity to just come clean if you're doing that.
Yeah, I mean, if it's not me.
No. You know who you are.
Right.
You know who that license is.
Right.
And I'm asking you, if you're telling me that's you and it's not, I'm offering you an opportunity to tell me now the truth. Just tell me the truth. Is that you?
No.
Right. Can you tell me who you are, your actual real information? What I want you to do is continue cooperating with us. We're going to be nice to you. We're going to be respectful. We're not going to do anything outside of what we're allowed to do by law. All right? We're not going to violate your rights. We're not going to use excessive force. We're just here to figure things out. Can you just provide him your correct information?
Probable cause, however, continued building independently. Date of birth off by 1 year. Name returning warrants for a different individual. Document failing every verification layer. Under Illinois versus Wardlow, decided in 2000, probable cause is assessed under the totality of circumstances. The threshold was met on 3 independent grounds. A lawful arrest followed. Under Hiibel versus California, decided in 1969, a search incident to arrest requires no warrant. That search produced methamphetamine, constitutionally valid. The subject was charged with 2 felony counts of identity theft, felony forgery, felony criminal simulation, and misdemeanor methamphetamine possession. He pled guilty to attempted forgery, a misdemeanor, and received 45 days. Remaining charges were dismissed.
Yeah.
All right. I appreciate it.
What is it? 2? What do you have for the social?
What's your name? What's your name? All right. Thank you.
Yep.
Would you mind if I take a picture of you? It's going to be easier for us to locate that driver's license. What made you want to use someone else's driver's license?
My driver's license is stolen.
Stolen.
So I went to a friend because I need the identification in order to get myself so I can get a driver's license. So
Do you know how dangerous that is? Like, I know you say it's a friend. I'm assuming it's a friend that has no, like, legitimate intention to do you good because he gave you information to someone that doesn't have, that may have warrants. So whenever you give someone else's information, you don't know what's going on in that other person's life. And you could end up going to jail over something that is, you could have solved this problem many different other ways, right?
Yeah, because I was trying to go back. That's why I was like, I just leave it in the car for a few days to go to my mom's house. It's being mailed to. So.
I'm just letting you know that's why we're all here, is because the information we ran came back with warrants, right? So that's why we're concerned, hey, this person with warrants doesn't match you.
Right.
So now we need to figure out, are we going to arrest the guy saying he's this person when he's not, right? So
I don't have any warrants. I don't.
Right.
I just took a gamble. It was
right.
the only thing that I had.
That's all right, brother. What made you from, like, there has to be something else going on in your life that is preventing you from getting an actual license?
I don't have two forms of identification. I really don't have my social security card. I don't have a birth certificate or anything. My mom has.
Right. And you can't get it from your mom?
She would mail it, but she doesn't want to put it in the mail.
That's smart. Yeah, I wouldn't want to put it in the mail either.
And if I don't have the social security card, so I have to go apply for that. But they need two forms of identification.
Right.
I don't have anything because everything's stolen.
So you have positive identity. Did you drive here?
No, sir.
How'd you get here?
Uber.
Uber. All right. Do you happen to have that information? Like who the driver was, the type of vehicle, anything like that?
No, because it was somebody provided it for me.
Okay. What were you going to do with the rental vehicle?
I was going to go home to get my birth certificate from my mom and see if my ID was mailed to hers because it was supposed to be mailed to her address.
And we're talking about the actual what state ID? All right.
So you were the one that caught this guy's ID?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just explain to me what happened?
I say it was normal.
Okay.
I didn't think anything was up until I was trying to scan the license and it wouldn't scan.
Okay.
Then I put it under the hollow thing and nothing popped up. I was like, well, maybe take a closer look at it. And then I saw it was kind of grainy, like the picture, and then it didn't look like it was issued by a DMV.
Okay.
So,
all right.
If you want to come over here, we'll see if we can sit in this vehicle first. Hold on.
Oh,
I'm just trying to make sure there is no weapon.
No, sir.
If you don't mind, just put your stuff up here. Would you mind if I search to make sure there's no weapons or anything like that? I appreciate it. All right. If you just want to have a seat in there, we're still figuring things out, but I don't want you to be cold, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
There we go. So before we go to the station and everything, we're gonna place you under arrest, okay? Beneath that, you step out of the car for me.
Officers receive a B+. Reasonable suspicion was properly established. Supervisory escalation before arrest showed sound judgment. The sergeant secured a voluntary confession without force. Textbook de-escalation. The SSN as arrest alternative framing prevents a higher grade. The subject receives a C+. Presenting a fraudulent document is an offense complete upon presentation. Intent and motive are irrelevant under criminal simulation statutes. His Fifth Amendment invocation was correct. His cooperation after confrontation was genuine. That earns partial credit. 3 takeaways. Terry authority permits detention and questioning. It does not permit compelling self-incriminating disclosure. Probable cause is cumulative. No single mismatch was decisive, but 4 together were airtight. And borrowed identity carries no legal exception. The statute is satisfied the moment the document is presented. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.